Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and in this video here I have the Csec Visual Arts exam paper from 2022 and we are going to talk about it. So let's begin.
Artwork Fly.
If you're new here, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload. Now let's begin. Remember, I have other videos regarding Csec Visual Arts exam questions, so I will not be going over like the general information, the general proficiency production papers, like what you should do, etc. What I will do is to insert a clip somewhere on that, and you can probably read it for yourself or go back to my old videos and listen to that. All right, so the first thing on the paper is Visual Arts General Proficiency Production paper. That's the first page, and it has this booklet contains examination tasks for candidates in visual arts, etc. And you can go ahead and read it. Then the next page is the instructions to candidates, and as I mentioned before, I think I read it out in one of my videos, so you can go ahead and look at that. If not, I will insert a clip somewhere. Alright, so you can go ahead and read it for yourself and get familiar with the exam paper before you go into the exam. But your teacher will also inform you on such, but if not, you still have this video to watch. So the first one is drawing. Drawing is always the main thing, because drawing is the foundation basically of painting, of graphics. Drawing is the foundation. So the first one is drawing. Two-dimensional expressive forms. Expressive form A. So drawing is expressive form A. Drawing. Color may be used. Complete one of the following tasks. Drawing must be done from observation. Use any drawing medium such as pencil, charcoal, pen and ink, crayon, pastel, or any combination of drawing media. Give consideration where applicable to variety in form, shape, size, and texture. Alright, so basically what this is saying, meaning you have to literally look at something in front of you, a set up, a still life in front of you, draw exactly what is there. So you draw what you see and not what you know. Meaning, if you get a school bag to draw, so if the school bag is folded, draw it folded. If the school bag is leaning to the side, draw it leaning to the side. Alright, so not because you know how it looks, you're going to draw it how you feel you want to draw it. You have to draw it from observation, from what is there. Alright, everybody already knows the drawing pencil, the charcoal, the pen and ink, crayon, pastels. Link below to see the drawing media. Give consideration where applicable to vary in form, shape, size, and texture. Now what that means is that whatever setup that your teacher is going to place in front of you, still lifes, whatever, your teacher has to ensure that the various forms are there, various shapes and various sizes. So let's say you get a group of shoes to draw. One shoe could be metallic, another one could be made out of cloth, another shoe could be a baby shoe, and another one an adult shoe. So it says to vary in form, shape, size, and texture. When you're drawing for your exam, ensure that whatever you're drawing represents what is on the table. So if your shoes is shiny and metallic, try to imitate that in your drawing. Readily persons can look at it and say, this one seems to be a shiny shoe. Alright, so ensure that when you're drawing, you have different sizes, different textures imitated in your drawing or represented in your drawing, all right, based on what you're seeing. All right, so let's get to the questions now. All right, so number 1, it says draw 3 detailed studies of different facial expressions. So based on that question, you can see readily that it is a portrait drawing. Find somebody who is not going to do anything for that particular time of the exam, and they're going to do 3 different expressions for you to draw. So let's say you find somebody on the ground, probably one of your friends, or you can call in one of your family members to come and assist you with it, with the permission of the teacher or your school, authorities on your school. You can go ahead and do that. So let's say you bring in that person now, they will sit on a stool and they will make like an angry face, they will make like a smiley face, they will make like a sad face. So those are 3 different expressions that you would draw on your cartridge paper. So that would be a portrait drawing. Alright, number 2, draw a composition of 5 items used by students in a classroom. So anything that is used in a classroom can be set up as the still life for your exam piece. Items must vary in shape, size, texture, and value, and you already know what that means based on the explanation given previously. Alright, values. Always ensure that you have different values. Now you should have already known the 9 different tones on the value scale. Alright, so yeah, so different items in a classroom. It could be a pencil, book, bag, duster, marker, whiteboard, rubber, eraser, sharpener, ruler, you name it. Those are things that you can set up for your still life drawing. Alright, number 3, draw an arrangement of at least 5 objects from your refrigerator, including a bowl containing eggs, a leafy vegetable, and a ground provision. Alright, so it's 5 items, objects from your refrigerator. So therefore, either you or your teacher can bring the materials. It all depends, whatever you and your teacher agree to. Alright, refrigerator include a bowl containing eggs, so you could bring 3 eggs or 2 eggs, a leafy vegetable, just probably lettuce or pop chow or callaloo or yeah, those things. I can't remember anything else right now. A ground provision, yam, pumpkin, potato, sweet potato, those kind of things. Alright, and then you will arrange it on the table, so it will be 5 items and it should include those 3. Alright, so 2 other things would be probably, what else is in the fridge? You could have butter, milk, water, what else do you have in your fridge? Whatever you have in your fridge, probably a fruit could be in that composition. Alright, number 4, arrange and draw a pair of old jeans hanging on a chair. So bring out old jeans. Probably your teacher doesn't have any. You can recommend bringing that old jeans to your teacher. For your you can recommend to your teacher that you have a pair of old jeans that you can probably draw. So the teacher will say, okay, bring it to school and I will set it up for you. So when you bring that old jeans, your teacher will set it up on a chair. A pair of shoes would be in front of the chair, and an umbrella. No, it doesn't say if the umbrella should be closed or open, but I would probably open it halfway. They're about to get those flare out of the umbrella. I love that when my drawings have a bit more depth. I love when my drawing have a bit more depth and a bit more details and stuff like that. So my students would complain about how I set up my drawing, my still life, thinking that it would be so difficult. They would have wanted closed, but I probably would have opened it or open it wide. Alright, but all depends on you and your teacher and what you're able to manage. That is the end of the drawing paper. thank you guys for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please remember to like and drop a comment below. If you have any questions, let me know. And remember, I'm always here to assist. So if you want classes online, I am here. So yes, I do classes online, especially for those who are in grade 10. If you're watching this, I will have classes in September, so you can register from now. You can call my number. I will probably insert the link of the video where I mentioned that I have classes online or even in person if you're nearby. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Artwork Fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.